Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log in Garena Free Fire account on your mobile device. To log into Garena Free Fire, first of all, open up the Free Fire application on your device, and then once the app is opened up, you will see this sign-in area. You can log into Garena Free Fire using your Apple ID, Facebook account, as a guest, or using one of these sign-in options in the Switch Login Account tab. Simply go ahead and select one of the login options. I'm gonna choose the sign in with Facebook option in today's video. Simply tap the option and tap on continue. This will then take you to your sign-in page for Facebook. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials, and once logged in using your Facebook credential, you will see this continue button which you should press on. Right after you do that, you will then be able to sign in to your Free Fire account. You can also choose any other login option that you've previously used, and once logged in, your profile will load and you can start playing Free Fire. To avoid losing your progress, always make sure to use a linked account instead of a guest account. And that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Free Fire tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.